Hi, my name is Dennis, and today I want to talk to you about my experience with the Limb Preservation Foundation. 10 years ago, while playing hockey, I suffered a severe fracture of my ankle and my tib fib. Surgery was performed, and they put in plates and screws, and a couple months later, I was walking better than they thought I'd ever walk. Unfortunately, an infection set in, and things kind of went a little downhill from there. So after months of trying to get the infection under control, the doctors ended up having to cut out my ankle joint and over 4 inches of my tibia. That was when I was referred over to Dr. Hahn at the Limb Preservation Group. Dr. Hahn, great doctor, very frank. He's like, here's where we're at. You can either amputate your leg or we could go through with this bone transport. So I chose that, and after 18 months in his care, incredible work by him and his team, I was able to regrow over 4 inches my tibia and save my leg. So that was when I really started getting involved with the Limb Preservation Foundation. I initially started off as a patient volunteer, going in and just giving support to patients who are facing the similar issues and trying to make a tough decision on what they do in their situation. So after that, I ended up going over to the Patients Assistance Committee, and this is where I really see the importance of the donations to the patients. When you donate to the LPF, it really throws a lifeline to these patients. They are already fighting to save a limb, and in some cases a life. And the financial stress that they're going through, that really takes some of the burden off of their plate. So they really, really appreciate it, because most of these people cannot work. So by providing that financial aid, they can really focus on their health and not have to worry about the financial piece. And it's really inspiring to see the fight in some of these patients. I mean, they are ready to go to the mat to really get back healthy again. So it's good to be able to let them just focus on that. Your support is greatly appreciated by the recipients and the foundation. I mean, when you give to the foundation, you truly, truly are making a difference in these people's lives. So thank you to all of our donors, and thank you for your continuing support. Thanks again.